Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows 11 widgets are not opening, shelling or appearing blank on your Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Right click on the start icon, select settings. On left side select personalization. On right side you just need to scroll down. Click on taskbar. Click on this widgets to turn it on. If it is already turned on, you just need to turn it off and turn it on again. And hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. And you need to make sure that go to search menu and type edit group policy, open it, and you just need to under the computer configuration expand the administrative templates, Windows components, and you just need to search for the widget. Click on the widgets, and on right side you just need to double click on the allow widgets and make sure you set this to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. Now after finishing this you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC your problem will be solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.